first glance, you would think that spring has not come to the mountains because there's no leaves. there's very little. We've ridden the Skyline Drive for about 40 miles. It's very quiet and it's very gray. It's also an overcast day, and we've had some drizzling rain, and that's been kind of nice too. But we stopped at this overlook. I'm not sure which one this is, but I noticed something about being here that I want to show you. There's this wall here, which is very common, but along this wall, there's flowers. These are dandelions. That one that's not flowering is called soapwort, which is, as the name implies, has been traditionally used to make soap. That's burdock. Those are three useful culinary and medicinal plants, all growing right there together. That's wild carrot. Oh, that's bluewood aster. That's a cool little plant. Bluewood aster was traditionally used by the Native Americans to make tea to treat fevers. Burdock has all kinds of uses, as does dandelion. All medicinal, edible. It's pretty neat. Some more useful plants. Star chickweed. The violets is probably my wife's favorite. That is Virginia waterleaf, which can be used to treat dysentery. So if you're on the Oregon Trail, that one's your friend. The other neat thing about this overlook is there's, what looks like an innocent little trail right here. But if you look up there on that tree, there's a white blaze, which means that is the Appalachian Trail, which means that if you go that direction, you get to Maine. And if you go sort of downhill from here, it veers off that way, you go to Georgia. And some invasives. That's spreading hedge parsley. That's garlic mustard, or also known as poor man's mustard, although mustard's not expensive. And that's woad. Growing right next to the woad is another dye plant. That's goldenrod, but unlike woad, it's a native. And it has a lot of medicinal uses as well. More violets. Also growing in this area are these little tree seedlings. These are slippery elm. Tempted to take one of those with me. So there you go. There's a medicinal tree for you. As I was leaving, I spied these plants down here. That's Dame's rocket, which is very vitamin C. So obviously prevents scurvy. It's also useful as an anti-inflammatory when applied topically.